Hey, what's going on guys? So in today's video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account in Android. So this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Alright, so here let's go ahead and open up PayPal. Now my PayPal may look a little bit different from yours, but that is okay. It's just because of my location, but the process would still be the same. Okay, from here you can tap on register. And you can fill in the blanks with your information, such as your name, your phone number, and other information that are required. Now after this, provide your email address and also create a password for your PayPal account. After this one, tap on I'm not a robot and verify that you are a real person by following instructions on the screen. After this one, tap on register and wait for the process. And now you have an account in PayPal. Alright, so thank you for watching guys and see you on the next one.